Malaria. Overview. Malaria is a mosquito-borne infectious disease caused by an infection of the red blood cells with a tiny organism. Symptoms. Symptoms of malaria can begin within 6 to 8 days after a bite by an infected mosquito. They include high fever up to 105 degrees Fahrenheit with shaking chills, profuse sweating when the fever suddenly drops, fatigue, headache, muscle aches, abdominal discomfort, nausea, vomiting, feeling faint when you stand up or sit down quickly. In children, additional symptoms include convulsions and cough. Causes. A bite from a parasite-infected mosquito causes malaria. A bite from a parasite-infected mosquito causes malaria. Recovery time. The time it will take to recover will depend on the symptoms, health, age, and the type of the parasite infected with, but most people start to feel better 2 days after having treatment. The disease will be cured only after one takes the drugs. Food and nutrition. As sweating and fever causes considerable loss of fluid, drink plenty of watery substances like soups, milk, lime juice, etc. Water with some salt and sugar is also excellent. Coconut water may be particularly beneficial in reducing vomiting and replacing the loss of fluid and electrolytes. Foods rich in vitamin A such as milk, fruits such as mangoes and papaya, and vegetables like carrots, tomatoes, drumstick, amaranth, spinach, and pumpkin. Foods rich in zinc like oysters, meat, poultry, beans, nuts, certain types of seafood such as crabs and lobsters, whole grains, fortified breakfast cereals, and dairy products can be suggested. Foods that need to be avoided when one has malaria include alcohol, tea, coffee, and other caffeinated beverages. Refined and processed foods including white flour, cakes, and parasites. Refined and processed foods including white flour, cakes, and pastries. Meat, sauces, pickles, and other condiments should also be avoided. When to see a doctor. Consult a doctor if you are exposed to mosquitoes and develop flu-like symptoms, that is, high fever, chills, and headache. Prevention of malaria. The following methods can be done to prevent the spread of this disease. Keep the surrounding clean at all times. Mosquitoes breed in areas and containers with still or stagnant water. Use mosquito repellents and insecticide-treated mosquito nets. Use flying insect spray indoors around sleeping areas. Limit outdoor activities between dusk and dawn. Stay in rooms with screens on the windows, fans, and air conditioning. Wear long pants and long-sleeved clothing, especially around dawn and dusk when the Anopheles mosquitoes are most active. Use insect repellent with DEET, that is N-diethyl metatolamide.